In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Google Ads landing page. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go in your account and how to safely update the final URL so your ad sends people to the right place. This is a quick change, but it can have a big impact on performance, so let's walk through it carefully. First, open Google Ads in your browser and sign into the account you use to manage your campaigns. Once you're in, look at the left-hand navigation. Head to the campaign section. This view helps you stay organized and ensures you're working within the right campaign and ad group before making edits. Next, switch to the Ads view. This tab lists every ad associated with your selected campaigns and ad groups, including responsive, search ads, and expanded text ads if you still have any. If you manage a lot of ads, use the search bar or filters to quickly find the one you want to modify. Confirm you've selected the correct ad by checking its headlines and current status. Hover your mouse over the ad you want to change. You should see a small pencil icon appear, indicating you can edit. Click that pencil. This opens the editing panel where you can adjust the core elements of your ad without recreating it from scratch. Locate the final URL field. This is the actual destination where users land when they click your ad. Replace the existing link with your new landing page URL. Make sure the URL is live, loads quickly, and uses HTTPS. Avoid linking to pages behind logins or pages that redirect excessively, since that can hurt performance or even lead to disapprovals. If you use tracking parameters, keep them consistent and double check for typos. Remember, the final URL is different from the display path. The display path is just what users see in the ad, while the final URL is where they actually go. Before you save, take a moment to review the rest of the ad for consistency. Your headlines and descriptions should align with the new page's content and offer. Good alignment improves quality score and can boost click-through and conversion rates. When everything looks right, click Save. Your change may trigger a brief review by Google to ensure policy compliance, so the ad might show a review status for a short time. After the update, keep an eye on your metrics. Watch for changes in click-through rate, bounce rate, and conversion rate to confirm the new landing page is performing as expected. That's it. You've updated the landing page for your ad, keeping your campaigns accurate and user-friendly. Thanks for watching, and happy optimizing.